welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to do this makeup look. This is very fall makeup look, and how you don't know how to do a smoky eye. So today I'm going to show you everything, and I'm going to show you how I did this look. It's a very beautiful look, and it's very fall makeup look, you know. And I hope you like it, this look, because I love this season. And for today's look I used this palette over here. This is the BPerfect for Carnival, the Antidote, with in collaboration with Stacey Murray. And this palette is perfect for this season. You don't have a palette for this season, you need this one, because look at this, look, these colors is a very perfect palette for this season. And I use this part over here, and I create this look. I love it, really. This is a very good palette, and I really recommend everyone had this palette because it's a very good. Before you watch the tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, thumbs up if you like this video, and enjoy! So today I'm going to do a look with this palette, and it's gonna be a fall makeup because, as you know, look my shirt, look my background, and finally the weather it's more cold, so it's perfect for the fall makeup look. So today I'm going to do a fall makeup look. My eyebrows, it's done. I did my eyebrows off camera. I use the same products every single time I do my eyebrows. E.L.F Brow Lift and NYX Brow Pen. This is the products I use to do my eyebrows. And let's start to do the eye makeup. This is the look I create with this palette. Now I'm going to do with you. This is the E.L.F Camo Concealer. I'm going to apply all over my crease. This is a very good concealer. Okay, my concealer is done. Now for the first eyeshadow, I'm going to start use the shade Cinnamon, and basically I'm going to put in my lid. This shade looks like my shirt. Don't need to be perfect, need to be something like this. Okay, done. Now I'm going to use the brush Expectorant 828, and with this shade tap this shade in my lid. Okay, done. You have the base for your smoky eye. You don't know how to do a smoky eye? Watch this video. And for the blending these two colors together, I'm going to use the shade Fun with the brush Expectorant 812, and basically I'm going to blending the edges of these two colors, because now I want to create the dégradé. So I need to start with this color and blending. Okay, now with a blending brush, with a small blending brush, this is Expectorant B11. I'm going to blending with this shade. I'm going to blending this shade, but I don't have nothing in my brush. My brush is clean, so I need to blending the edges over here. And for that, I'm going to use a small blending brush. Okay, now with a big blending brush, this is from Zoeva, this is 221, this is a soft crease brush. I'm going to use the shade Pretty Peach. It's like a yellow shade, and with this brush I'm going to blend in the edges. You need to blend it. You can see now the orange and the yellow. Yeah, I want this. So blending a little bit. Be careful on the corner, because inside I don't want too much color. I want something very soft, so you need to be careful. Okay, I'm gonna look, and looks good. A little bit more yellow. With the shade Sugar Mape, I'm gonna put this, is a golden shimmer shade. I'm going to apply this shade with my finger because it's better, and this is a very beautiful shade. It's like a golden yellow, it's a very golden mustard shade. It's very beautiful. Look at this. So this is the look, and look at this. It looks inspired by fall makeup look, you know. So now I'm going to put lashes, and I will be back. So my lashes, it's done, and for lashes I use TattiLashes. So before starting to do the base, I'm going to apply this fat oil from NYX and the shade follow back, and it's a very beautiful color for the autumn. My lips, it's so dry. You can see this is so beautiful. So first I'm going to use my E.L.F Halo Glow, and blending with a foundation brush, because I want my skin glowy, because my foundation is matte, so I'm going to use this for glowy skin. Before I start to do my makeup, I did my skincare routine. I used my favorite moisturizer, and I applied my favorite SPF. Okay, my skin looks so glowy. Love it. Have something. Okay, for foundation, I'm going to use this one. This is from Max Factor. This is the All Day Flawless Airbrush Foundation. I have the shade N45 Warm. Looks dark, but it's not. It's a perfect shade for me. It's a very thickish foundation, and I need the very good coverage because my skin looks a little bit messy. I love this foundation. This foundation is a very good foundation. It's a drugstore foundation, and it's a very good. I really like it. Okay, foundation is done. Look at this glow. It's amazing, and the coverage is very good. This is for a long-lasting, flawless complexion, medium to blending, medium to full coverage bronzer. I'm going to use the iconic E.L.F Halo Glow Contour in the shade Light Medium. And I'm gonna put over here and blending. Next I'm gonna put this side and blending. This is very good and so easy to blending, but you need to be careful because it's dry very quick. Mine is dirty. I don't like this because this is dirty. I don't like the applicator, but it's okay. I use this in myself, so doesn't matter. Okay, bronzer done. For my blush, I'm going to use this one. This is from Urban Decay, Hydro Blush Glow, and I'm going to use the shade Obsessed. I'm going to put it back of my hand. Look at this shade. It's a very beautiful shade. You don't need too much, really. And now with brush, something like this, do a fiber brush because it looks so much beautiful. I'm going to apply and blending. You see, you don't need too much blush, a little bit, and it's perfect. Now with my foundation brush, I'm going to blending my blush and my bronzer together. Look at this skin, stunning. Love it. You can see you don't need too much blush. Okay, now I'm going to use concealer. I'm going to apply concealer. Again, this is E.L.F Hydrating Camo Concealer. With the shade Light Amber. Everything today is hydrating. This concealer is very good concealer, really. The coverage is good, and you can see I didn't apply too much concealer because I don't need, but it's a very good concealer and everything looks good. So now I'm gonna put powder because this is very beautiful, but I have oil skin and this is how my skin looks like maybe in an hour. For my powder, I know this is my favorite powder. This is from HNB Cosmetics Soft Focus Loose Powder in the shade 02 Translucent. I love this powder. This is my favorite powder. I can use other powder because this is very good and the price it's good as well, so I like it. And my skin looks so incredible after I use this powder. Looks like a blur and looks like a filter, so perfect for me. When I'm blending the powder back of my hand, and next apply in my, look at this, you can see the difference. This is amazing. I'm gonna put powder half in my face and you will see the difference. So this is with powder and this is without powder. So as you can see, the difference is stunning. This powder is a very good powder and I really recommend this powder because it's very good. I love my Laura Mercier powder. It's a very good powder as well, but it's expensive powder, and this one it's more affordable powder, so it's good. It's good for me and good for my wallet. Okay, now I'm going to apply my powder products and I'm going to start with my bronzer. I'm going to use this one. This is from Pink Honey, Face Frozen, and in the shade Mocha. So basically I apply my powder products where I applied my cream products, but I don't need too much powder products because I used cream products before. So I don't need too much. A little bit in my nose. For blush, I'm gonna use this one. This is from Colourpop. And look at this blush. It's very beautiful. It's a peachy blush with the... So this is the pressed powder cheek in the shade Crossroads blush. It's very beautiful. I don't know, you can't find this. I think you can find this anymore. But it's a very beautiful blush. The brand is affordable, but the tax is so expensive. Oh, look at this. It's perfect. And for my under eyes, basically, I'm going to use the shade Cinnamon. I'm going to use this eyeliner from NARS. This is the shade Mambo. It's my favorite eyeliner pencil. And I'm going to apply in my waterline. I'm going to apply mascara. I'm going to use this one, E.L.F. This is the Lash Clash. This is my favorite mascara. Now for my highlight, I'm going to use this one. This is from Revlon. This is the Skin Light in the shade 201. I must finish my makeup. For my lip liner, I'm going to use this one. This is from Doll Beauty. This is the shade Boy. Bye. It's a perfect shade. For my lipstick, I'm going to use this one. This is from Revolution. And this is the shade Divine Brown. Look at this shade. It's a very beautiful shade. And it's a perfect combo, these two products. So this is my combo for the fall season. I'm going to do, and I will be back. So this is the makeup for today's video. What do you think? Do you like it? I hope so. I hope you like it this tutorial, because I love to do this makeup, and this look, it's very fall. It's very beautiful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, thumbs up do you like this video, and see you in my next video. Bye!